Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Misfits Market. If you're not familiar with the subscription, it is a weekly or bi-weekly well, actually you can get it delivered whenever you want. Ugly produce subscription box. I have subscribed to this for quite a while. I am kind of getting tired of it. It's getting really expensive, and I used to have a ton of referrals and they've somehow disappeared, which is crazy, but anyway. This is their larger box, which I believe is $35. They do have a smaller box, it's $22. I have a larger family, so this makes more sense for me. Everything comes in like it's a cold shipped box. You do get it in about 2 days. Yeah, everything is recyclable, all the packaging, and biodegradable when applicable, and just all that good stuff. And the vegetables used to be rescued. I don't think they are anymore. I honestly they have way too much for that to make sense, right? But anyway, we're gonna get inside here. I did pick everything in this box. Okay, so as you can see, you open it up and is this gonna be a problem? We have all our cold packs, and now look, there's some sort of an insert. Apparently you get like Apple TV for free, or who knows? I don't do any of that stuff. All right. First up, we have some garlic scapes. These are really, really good. If you've never had these, you need to try them out. They're just a nice garnish or addition to any salad or fresh veggie dish. All right, then we have, this is a bag of plums. My kids love these and I love them too. Then we have, this is some scallions. I actually have a lot of vegetables and stuff that we got at BJ's this week, so I didn't really need a ton, but here we have some nectarines. I also love these. I prefer them over peaches, just because my kids don't really like the hair on them. All right, this is some golden beets. They come in a bag. See, this is why I no longer think the things are rescued. They used to come like just loose. Now they're like, even the beets, which used to be bunched, they'd have the tops, the whole deal. They're coming in bags, which I don't, you know what I mean? I dropped them, yikes. All right, then we have, these are some, oh, more nectarines. Oh, I got 2 packages of nectarines. Huh. All right, that's all that's on that side. We still have the whole other side. Here on top, it looks like cilantro. I love cilantro. This is actually, no, it's cilantro. I was just making sure it wasn't parsley. Nothing worse than thinking you have cilantro and you have parsley. All right, then we have, wow, look at that leek. 2 giant leeks. These are delicious in soup, or you can put them in like a leek potato mash. Oh, they're so good. All right, and finally, this is it. See, this is my $30-some box. Like, it doesn't feel like it should be that much. I mean, it feels like it should be less. With Misfits anyway, is a whole bag of green grapes. So for my $35 spend, I get the big bag of green grapes, 2 leeks, 2 bags of nectarines, cilantro, plums, scallions, beets, and garlic scapes. So that's everything that I got in my Misfits. I hope you like this video. If you do, so subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.